Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Zeria Tanning Drops review. So you might be wondering, what is the Zeria Tanning Drops here? How do you use it? So what is it? Well, in this case, the Zeria here is an oral liquid tanning drop. Now similar in concept to other drink your tan products. Now the idea is to darken skin tone gradually from the inside rather than applying the atopical self tanner here. Now in this case, the listed ingredients include carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, ascorbic acid, or in short, vitamin C, L-tyrosine, pyridoxine, or vitamin B6, copper gluconate, and vitamin B12, iron amino acid chelate, retinol palmitate, or vitamin A here, and vitamin E with a watermelon flavor. Now, the brand describes it as a vegan and free of artificial dyes. Now, in this case, how do you use it? Now, in this case, what you need to do is you just need to shake the bottle before each use. Add one dropper, 1 ml specifically into water, juice, or any other drink. And you just need to take it once daily. Now, ideally before expected sun exposure. Now, the site recommends consistent daily use to around 2 to 4 weeks to see full results. In this case, with a subtle glow typically appearing within like 5 to 7 days. Now, dosage can be adjusted up for a deeper shade, though the label sets an upper limit here as with similar products. Now, the maker notes that it does not provide UV protection, so sunscreen is still recommended separately here, and anyone pregnant or breastfeeding is directed to check with a healthcare provider first. Now, with any kind of products that you're taking, maybe vitamins or any kind of anything that you are going to drink, it's best to recommend or check with your doctor first. Now, on the pricing side here, the exact checkout price isn't consistently listed on their website, but in this case, the third-party sources and in this case their website, the pricing can vary a lot. So this ranges from let's just say around $40 to $80 per for a bottle on the official site. So it totally depends when you are actually visiting their website. And in this case, our purchases here are set up as an auto renewing subscription by default. So you're billed on a recurring schedule, commonly every 30 days until you cancel. And the official terms state that cancellation requests need to be submitted at least like 1 day before your next schedule charge to actually take effect. Now, the site lists a 60-day money back guarantee for your refund if you're not satisfied. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.